Hello, I am Yulia from Hulu Distill. In this video, I'd like to introduce how to assemble RT30. First of all, I will introduce all these parts. This is 110-watt 30-liter electric heating pot. Its actual working capacity is 22 liters, about 5 gallons. It's a rocket copper lid. There are two pipe joints that connect directly to the pipe, and you can pull it out by pressing here. This is a parrot beak drain valve. An adjustable height supporting column. There are four 1.5-inch clamps and 2-inch clamp. One 1.5-inch 90-degree bend pipe. An air pressure balancing unit. And water pipe fittings. 3 1.5-inch quick fix seal rings and a 2-inch seal ring. One seal ring with inner ring. These are all gifts. A pair of gloves, a tube, Teflon tape, a large magic steaming dish, 3 support feet, 1 handle, cotton and hem bag, spare sealing ring, cleaning wipe. This is a large magic steam dish. You can put it in the pan once you've installed the support feet and handle. First, we'll wrap the Teflon tape, including the 2 water pipe joints, attach them to the parrot beak and the condensing tube. Next, put on gloves, because you can come into direct contact with copper. Unscrew the small part of the drain tap and insert the tap into the hole on the side of the bucket. Put the lid on the pot and close the button. Put a seal ring and put the lean arm, then fasten the clamp. Put a seal ring, attach the 90-degree bend, then fasten the clamp. Then install the sealing ring and condensing pipe, buckle the clamp. Install the pressure balancing unit in the same way. Next, install the parrot beak in the same way, but using a seal with an inner ring. Assemble the plumbing components. The red pipe fits in the hole above the condensing pipe. The blue pipe is also fitted in the same way, in the hole below the condensing pipe. Cut the gift hose into 2 pieces of different lengths. The short one is attached to the air pressure balancing unit. The longer one goes in the parrot beak. Then, we finished installing the equipment, and there are a couple of little reminders. This is a height-adjustable support rod that supports it as a parrot. Unscrew the part without the red part. Finally, a thermometer is plugged into the copper lid.